Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to add friends to the restricted list on Facebook using your PC. It's a simple process that can help you control what certain friends can see on your profile. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. From the left-hand side of your screen, click on Friends. Step 3. Next, click on Custom List. Step 4. Now, select Restricted from the options. Step 5. Click on Add Remove. Step 6. To add friends to the restricted list, search for their names and check the circle next to their name. Step 7. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully added friends to your restricted list on Facebook using your PC. This feature allows you to limit what these friends can see on your profile without unfriending them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.